Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool that helps you write, learn, and solve problems. It works like a smart chatbot. To start using ChatGPT, go to chat.openai.com. You will need to create an account. Just use your email address and follow the steps. Once you're logged in, you will see a chat box. This is where you type your message. Let's say you want to write an email. You can type, "Write a short email to my boss asking for a day off." ChatGPT will write one for you. You can ask it to change the tone or make it shorter. Just type your request and it will respond. ChatGPT is also good for learning. If you ask, "What is photosynthesis?" it will explain it in simple words. You can also ask it to explain something like a teacher would, step by step. You can use it for writing code too. If you type, "Write a Python function to check if a number is even," it will give you the code. If you don't understand the code, just ask to explain it. It will break it down so it's easier to follow. ChatGPT can help you practice languages. If you want to learn Spanish, you can ask it to have a conversation with you. You can also ask it to correct your grammar. There are also plugins and tools in the paid version. These let you browse the internet, generate images, and use extra features like file uploads. With file uploads, you can give it a document or spreadsheet and ask questions about it. If you're writing a resume or cover letter, ChatGPT can help with that too. Just tell it what job you're applying for and your experience. It will create a draft for you to edit. You can also use it to brainstorm ideas. For example, you can ask, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas about fitness." It will give you a list to choose from. ChatGPT is like a smart helper. You just have to ask clear questions. The better your message, the better the reply. That's it. Thanks for watching.